celebrating my 30th birthday with my family. Look at yung si mama lang ang kumakanta. Busy na yung si papa sa prepare ng kanyang kakainin. Sarap ng tuyo with kamatis or tomato. O, kain tayo, papa. Oh, make. Ano yan? Kainan na. Kainan time. Kain lang ng kain. Tapos, yung buko time. Preparing for the salad. We are all together preparing with each other. Ang saya, diba? Sana lagi kaming ganyan. We have time to spend together. Okay? Bye-bye.